And your name is?
Christine Quigley.
Your occupation?
Communications consultant.
And your chosen subject?
The Battle of Clontarf.
In 90 seconds. Starting now, the Battle of Clontarf was fought near Dublin on Good Friday, 1014, between an alliance of Vikings and Leinstermen and the forces of the High King of Ireland, who was killed on the day. What was his name?
Brian Boru.
Yep, Brian Boru was King of Munster as well as High King of Ireland. Which Irish tribe or dynasty was he a member of?
Dál Cais.
Yep, the Annals of Loch Kay claim that Brian was visited the night before the battle by a banshee who foretold his death. What was her name?
Pass.
What title was held by Sigurd Loddsson, who brought troops and led the battle against Brian Boru's army at Clontarf?
Jarl of Orkney.
Yes, the title of the major Irish saga sources for Brian Boru's life and the Norse Wars translates as War of the Irish with Foreigners. What is its Gaelic title?
Cogad Gael Regaliath.
Yes, to which of Brian Boru's daughters was Sitric Silkenbeard, the Norse king of Dublin, married? They reportedly watched the fighting from their battlements.
Slania.
Yep, the Annals of Ulster compare Brian Boru to a Roman emperor, saying Brian was his equivalent for the whole of northwest Europe. Which emperor?
Hadrian.
Augustus. Men from 3 generations of Brian Boru's family died at Clontarf. How did his grandson, Tordelbach Tullo, reportedly die as he pursued the fleeing enemy?
Drowned at a weir.
Yes, what is the name of the coastal plain on the Howth Peninsula on which the battle took place?
Magnialta.
Yes, the elderly Brian Boru is thought to have spent most of the battle praying away from the fighting. Which of his sons was his battle leader?
Murchad.
Yes. What is the name of the palace that was Brian Boru's stronghold during his reign? He increased its fortifications prior to the Battle of Clontarf.
Kincora.
Kincora is correct. And you know what? I really hoped you'd get the answer to this one that you passed on, because I've now got to pronounce it, so you'll have to forgive me. The name of the banshee who visited Brian was Aveen. Does that sound about right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we are. Well, that's who she was. And that was your one pass. And you have scored, Christine, 9 points.